Guys, it's Somnyai today, and the goat. I'm the goat because I make you pass. I make your examination to be fish and chips. So I'm a goat. Of course, a South African constitutional law in a context to CSL 2601. We are back again. Okay. And then, as I've said, guys, that this time I'll be focusing on the one, my goat, the woman of the moment, Chief Justice Maya. Yes, indeed. Today we are talking about the Chief Justice Maya, but we'll be focusing on the Constitution. Remember, we are dealing with the Constitution. So let me just give a a background about Maya to those that does not know her. Of course, Maya Mandisa, Maya is a Xhosa. Of course, it's a Xhosa. Those who does not know. Another thing is that she noted 200 judgment so far, right? And another landmark, very interesting part is that 200 of them, two of them are written in isiXhosa. Sorry, I'm not a Xhosa person. So don't blame me when I write like this. isiXhosa. So yeah, we have a Maya who have noted down 200 judgments, and two of them are written in isiXhosa. Let's just check quickly some of the landmark cases she adjudicated. Landmark cases. Let's look at this one. Remember, there's no any judge in South Africa who have ever written a case in a native language, right? It's only Judge Maya who has achieved that. So she's a goat. She's a meh. Unfortunately, but don't say too much. So the landmark of the cases that we know is the AfriForum, versus the chairperson of Council of the UNISA. Unfortunately, UNISA. And then there was this case. If you do not know, by the way, about this case, there was a UNISA cancelled the use of Afrikaans. It said, no, we are no longer using Afrikaans in UNISA. And then Africa Forum were fighting those things. They went to court over those things. These are our landmark cases. But I will give you one. I'm just giving you this UNISA one, because this was in the public domain. So if they can go to you can find this case. Well, now you know about what happened between AfriForum and the UNISA one, But those were happening during the 2018. Now let's check this case, So this is the SAFLI, all right? This is the SAFLI. I want to show you something. So when you come to the SAFLI, when you come to this case, because this case was decided by Maya, right? It was Meta. You can see it is written both sides, It is in I told you that she decided some of the case in isiXhosa, right? You can see on the side they have written in Xhosa, on the other side is Zulu. So it's in English. So this case is in two languages, right? You come and read in two languages, Isquevo, all those things, So this is the case of Maya, the one that I'm just showing you the power of this woman, that there was this case, this one of a UNISA. I'm telling you this case because maybe UNISA can decide to bring this case. Now, if you know it's a constitutional, you can come and read this case. Of course, you read in isiXhosa, you read in English, which will make sense to you. So in this case, they said that UNISA must continue to use Afrikaans until they amend. They said all the modules mentioned above will be presented in full in the following academic years until the language policy has been lawfully amended, if all. And then UNISA were to pay the cost. You come and read this case. It's a crucial case. It may come in the examination. It's UNISA after all. So I'm just showing you this case anyway. Now let's get to the to the business of the day. Now this is important. This one. Who appointed Maya as judge in High Court? Remember, she started from High Court. Then this question, I'm just saying this so that you know how. Let me just say how Maya. Sorry. Let me just say how Maya was appointed as a judge in High Court. By the way, I'm just saying, I'm just trying to prove how judges in High Court are, are appointed. You must know that judges in the High Court are appointed. How are they appointed? Then Maya was appointed as High Court by President on advice of JSC, right? In terms of section 174 subsection 6, right? Yes. So what I'm saying by this, I'm saying that judges from High Court, right? Judges from the High Court are appointed by President on advice of a JSC in terms of section 174. Never forget that, right? Okay, let's go. Then she went to Supreme Court of Appeal. Then we ask how Maya was appointed as Chief Justice of Supreme Court of Appeal. Remember, after being a judge, Maya went to be a Supreme Court of Appeal Chief Justice. She was a Chief Justice of the Supreme Court of Appeal. Oh, sorry, I don't want to write this name. I'm repeating to you that this one, you will enjoy well the full video when you come and join, and I'm very cheap. It's just currently $9.99. You watch the videos. You will enjoy even some of the videos because all my videos, by the way, I put them on the current assignment. Then you will enjoy some of the modules that you may be currently doing. So I'm just be uploading videos, and those who are enjoying will be enjoying. Very good video, very informative video. You know that I deliver a very informative video. So let's go back to this. As I told you that this video may just cut anytime because it is one of the it may be on the full. You need to enable payment for that full. So how Maya was appointed as a Chief Justice. Oh, sorry guys. I meant to say you should just president. You know, we only have a chief president and deputy chief president in the Supreme Court of Appeal. So how was she was appointed by president in terms after consulting with JS